Welcome to our exclusive Mastermind, Top 10 Business Loans Every Realtor Should Know. We're here to supercharge your business. In today's market, knowing business loan options is crucial for realtors to better serve clients and identify new opportunities. This knowledge is your competitive edge. By partnering with me, you bring valuable deals to the table, and you get paid handsomely for every successful referral. It's a win-win. Let's start with the foundational business loans that every realtor must understand. First up, commercial real estate loans. These are key for clients looking to purchase their own office space or invest in commercial properties. A business line of credit offers flexible funding for operating expenses, crucial marketing campaigns, or even unexpected costs. Fix and flip loans provide fast capital for property renovation projects, an essential tool for your investor clients to quickly capitalize on opportunities. Next, let's explore more advanced loan structures that offer greater scope for growth and unique situations. SBA loans are government-backed, offering lower interest rates and longer repayment terms for business growth and unparalleled flexibility. Hard money loans are specialized for real estate investors, providing capital quickly when speed and certainty of execution are paramount. Equipment financing covers essential purchases like new vehicles for client travel or cutting-edge technology to streamline your operations. Beyond the essential and advanced categories, a few other loan types can be incredibly useful for you and your clients. Working capital loans are perfect for managing day-to-day cash flow needs, ensuring you always have liquidity when you need it most. Revenue-based financing offers quick capital based on your future sales, which is great for a rapid influx of funds without traditional collateral. Now that you know the options, how do you apply this knowledge to your daily work? Here is your action plan. Start by asking key questions to identify your client's needs, then match them with the best loan option, and confidently introduce me as their financial expert. We are ready to partner with you and turn this knowledge into tangible commissions. Here's what comes next. Submitting a deal is simple. Call or text me with the lead details or send an email. I will take it from there and handle the entire loan process. You will receive a competitive commission upon funding, ensuring you get paid quickly and fairly for every successful deal you bring in.
I am Paul LaJoy, your neighborhood real estate and mortgage broker. You can reach me at 510-299-0093 or 415-510-0127. You can also email me at paullajoy@loanfactory.com.